Open up your MTT. Data for today's date. We're going to be talking about arithmetic sequences, and we're going to be using the formula a sub n is equal to a1 plus parentheses n minus 1 times d. So to look at a sequence and determine whether it's an arithmetic sequence, we're looking for a common difference. So the first thing that we're going to look at is looking at the terms. We're going to go from -4 to -2. That's a positive 2. From -2 to 0 is a positive 2. From 0 to 2 is a positive 2. If the common difference is the same for all terms, then it's an arithmetic sequence. Let's look at the next one. From -26 to -22 is a positive 4. From -22 to -18 is a positive 4. From -18 to -14 is a positive 4. So in this case, our common difference is positive 4. Last one, from 1 to 4 is positive 3. From 4 to 9 is positive 5. From 9 to 25 is positive 16. So there is no common difference, so this is not an arithmetic sequence. How do we find the next three terms? Well, we find the common difference and then we can generate the next three terms. So our common difference here is plus 5. Our common difference here is plus 5. Our common difference here is plus 5. So the next term would be plus 5, which would be 24, plus 5, which would be 29, and then plus 5, which would be 34. The next one, this is going to be a common difference from -3 to 1 is a positive 4. From 1 to 5 is a positive 4. From 5 to 9 is a positive 4. So we're going to go ahead and use our common difference. So that's going to be 13, and then plus 4 is 17, and then plus 4 is 21. So again, the common difference was 4. The common difference on the first one was 5. From -2 to -4 is -4. From -6 to -10 is -4. From -10 to -14 is -4. So the next one would be -18, and then add -4, -22, and add -4, -26. So the common difference can also be negative. Now what we're going to do is start using our equation to generate an equation that will help us find whichever term we want in a sequence. So n stands for the number of term that you're looking for in the sequence. A1 is going to be your first term. N, again, is the number of the term in the sequence. So it's the same as the first n in the equation. And then D is our common difference. All right, so let's see how this works. Well, the first thing that we're going to do is find our common difference. So from 7 to 13 is plus 6. From 13 to 9 is plus 6. And from 13 to 19. From 19 to 25 is plus 6. So our common difference, actually let's start with our A1. Our A1 is 7. That's our first term. And our D is positive 6. And those are the two things we need to know in order to use our formula. So our formula is A sub n is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 times D. So AN is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 times our common difference of D, which is going to be 6. So we're going to rewrite it so that we can do distributive. AN is equal to 7 plus 6 times n plus -1, add a line, change the sign. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and rainbow. So we're going to have AN is equal to 7 plus 6n plus -6. we're going to combine like terms, so an is equal to 6n plus 1. And that is our equation. Let's try another one. Our common difference here is negative 4. Common difference here, negative 4. Common difference here, negative 4. So our A1 is going to be 30, and our common difference is going to be negative 4. So A sub n is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 times our common difference. A sub n is equal to 30 plus n minus 1 times negative 4. Now we're going to rewrite so we can do distributive. An is equal to 30 plus negative 4 times n plus negative 1, so we don't blow our sign. We're going to go ahead and do our rainbow. So an is equal to 30 plus negative 4n plus 4. An is equal to 30. We need to combine our like terms. So it's going to be 34 plus negative 4n, and now we're going to write it in the correct order. So it's going to be negative 4n plus 34 is our equation. Okay, try another one. Our common difference here is positive 3. Common difference here is positive 3. So negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So our first term is going to be negative 7. Our common difference is going to be 3. So A sub n is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub n is equal to negative 7 plus n minus 1 times 3. And this is going to be an is equal to negative 7 plus, we're going to rewrite so we can do distributive. And then we're going to go ahead and distribute. So we're going to do an is equal to negative 7 plus 3n plus negative 3. So an is going to equal 3n plus negative 10, and that's our equation. And that's how you use the arithmetic sequence formula in order to find an equation.